Hi everyone, I'm Tilini, business analyst with 50 years of experience. I have experience in capital markets as well as business process transformation. I have worked in London Stock Exchange Group, New Zealand, US revenue forecasting systems, as well as Sage, Microsoft, and Salesforce for ERP and CRMs. Currently, I work for MYOB and Acumatica, where I help small, medium, and large Australian businesses and providing solutions that help thrive their organizations. Today, I'm excited to share my thoughts of how Copilot helped me assisting with my weekly recap and my actions for next week. Let me break down and rank how from summarizing meeting to making to-do list and how effective Copilot is using simple prompts. Let's get started. Meeting recap and performance. Copilot did a great job capturing highlights from my meeting, and it did not miss any meeting that I did. As areas of improvement, I think it can expand on major meeting outcomes, including agreed upon actions for better context. Second one, email, chat, and summary. This was clear and concise, and it helped me to recall all the information with the list that it provided. While it was mostly accurate, some crucial points were missed. But the good point is summaries help me remember what was missed. So I wouldn't rank it as too bad. So it's good. So still, if you look at the file sections below, it was totally irrelevant and showed all the files that was not related to me or my team. So if I rank the file section of Copilot summary, I think we cannot rely on it at all. So what I feel is only relying in Copilot on context like team messages or file summaries would not be really ideal. It will still need your attention if you come up with to-do list solely on this information. Moving on, to-do lists. Now, about to-do list and achievements. This is where things got a little messy. The initial list included outdated action items, even from previous year for the same date range, which wasn't really helpful. Even after refining the year, the list didn't actually improve much. So, if you want actionable to do lists, I feel Copilot's out of box simple prompts would not help you in getting a good result for this. A fun highlight. So, last 2 weeks, I took my 9-year-old on a little holiday excursion. So, it's a free train ride, screen time in a different location, some spontaneous gifts from my friends to keep him entertained. Thank you so much, Amy. If you're listening to this, kept him really busy for the day. And if you're a juggling parent, juggling work and school holidays, this might be a good idea if your company allows kids to be in premise and if they're a little bit older as well. On conclusion, Copilot's strength lie in creating broad overview and helping recalling past actions. However, it can improve by focusing key points, filtering out irrelevant details in future updates. Again, prioritizing key points and actionable items, it helps. Removing outdated or non-priority items is up to you. It needs revision, and then the relevancy, it might not be 100% or spot on if you want to use solely Copilot. Final thought and steps. To the next 2 weeks, I have small plan to implement few Copilot tricks and refine how I can capture effectively what I do to make my planning process easier for the coming weeks. Let me keep you updated how it went and how my tools and tips work. So keep tuning in until next time. Thank you so much for listening.